Ben is making chocolate chip cookies with walnuts in them. Ugh, why? The ratio of cups of chocolate chips to cups of walnuts is 4 to 3. To make his cookies, Ben uses 2.5 cups of chocolate chips. Which equation could be used to determine the number of cups of walnuts that Ben needs? All right, so this is a proportion, and a proportion is a fraction equaling a fraction. So it looks like what they're using is if they're doing 4 to 3, we're going to go in that order. 4 had to do with chocolate chips, and 3 had to do with walnuts. So you are setting chocolate chips to walnuts is going to equal chocolate chips to walnuts. What do we know? Chocolate chips is 4, so we'll do 4 to walnuts is 3. Now, I guess they want that number on the right. That's okay. We can always flip it around when we're done, which we probably will. What else do we know? Chocolate chips is 2.5. They want to use a decimal, so 2.5 is 2.5, and walnuts is, I don't know. So we'll set that equal to x. So, looks like the only option that seems to make sense is the flipped version of this, which instead of 4/3 on the left, puts 4/3 on the right, and instead of 2.5 over x to the right, moves it to the left, and 2.5 over x equals 4/3 is going to match up with B, baby.